Hey everybody, welcome to Kicking at Midnight. You asked for a vlog, so you got one. Roll the intro. Alright, time to frost some cupcakes, label cupcakes, and finish this night out. It's 10:30 right now, so better get to work.
His night ends in about an hour, so that's why he needs to hurry it up. He gets sleepy.
It's only been 30 minutes later, and I'm getting really sleepy. I can't say that to Allison, though, because she'll get mad. Cake pop labels are done. All right, time for me to go to bed. Allison's gonna be up for a while, doing a couple of custom cakes, and we'll see you in the morning. All right, it's the next day. It's 7:03, and we still got a few more things we got to do. We got to package up these cake pops. Allison was up till 4:30, and then we can head down to the farmer's market. All right, now that everything's packaged up, time to load up. Whew, it's gonna be a hot day, so we gotta put them in coolers. All right, we're downtown. About time to set up. Looks like a huge storm is coming in. I hope not, but it just looks really dark. All right, time to set up.
Hi everybody, it's 10:30. We're about an hour and a half into the farmer's market and it's looking pretty low. So if there's anybody out there in the Fort Wayne area that would like to help make cake pops, just come my way. I'm not either.
How's that do?
It's good.
Falling down, there will be people standing all around. Something warm running in my eyes, but somehow I found my baby that night. I raised her head, she looked at me and said, "Hold me, darling, just a little while." I held her close, I kissed her our last kiss. I found the love that I had missed.
It's hot.
You just stay here, start the car, and I'll get the things over. It's hot.
right, we packed up everything. It's time to head home. We got more cakes to sell. A few things left to get rid of. And
Cupcakes, dear.
we got cupcakes. Quite a few cupcakes. We expected a lot of people this weekend. It's hot. It's hot. It's like it's 94 degrees out and it's very humid. I was melting outside. So now we got either cupcakes to eat or sell, and then Allison has more custom cakes to sell tonight. How's it going, dear?
Stressful. How are you?
Tired.
That is a thing that you can't say to a twin mom or a decorator who stays up late, honey.
But you get to sleep in.
Oh my heavens.
What do? You get to sleep in. I don't.
Any other moms out there agree? He can't say that. You go to work and then you come home and take a nap.
I'm tired.
I don't get a nap.
That's your fault. All right. Try some of this gold leaf. See what this tastes like. You gonna taste it?
No, I want you to taste it.
I'm gonna try some gold leaf and see how this tastes.
I'm not putting the thing in your mouth. Just pick it up. It'll disintegrate. And you probably can't even taste anything.
Honestly, didn't even know it hit my tongue.
Does it leave a metallic flavor? Nobody wants to see that.
Yeah. No, it left like a. Yeah,
Oh my God, stop.
Yeah, stuck in my tooth.
Are you disappointed?
Yep, I am. I was
Okay,
hoping
well
for
now that,
more of a metal taste.
don't look at my counter, but does this look okay?
Looks beautiful, dear. All right, so now I got to take some pictures of these cakes, and then we're going to deliver some cakes later on and make more cakes. Yeehaw.
What's up?
Just watching your work.
What's it like to watch a stressed out cake lady? Entertaining?
Yeah, everybody else thinks so too.
I wish it was entertaining on my end. Oh, good news. I'm out of boxes again. And guess what? Everywhere in America is out of boxes. I can't, you know how much I paid just for these boxes? These were a 6-pack and they were so expensive.
Yeah.
And I'm not paying $8 a box. Okay, so farmer's market is over. Went home and finished 2 cakes details, and now we are going to deliver a fortnight cake back to the house for a cake pickup. 3 cake pickups. Oh, I'm tired. Okay, 3 cake pickups, and somewhere in there we have to go get our children, which Josh is very excited about. We don't get very much time away from the kids, especially with all this COVID-19 stuff going on. So we got, what, 12 hours away from them? Maybe 24 hours.
Almost, yeah, 24.
I miss my bubba.
Kids are gonna see this and they're gonna know that he's your favorite. And another successful delivery.
However you do that. Why did my thumb look so little?
All right, so now we've got our kids back. They're at their grandparents' house and had dinner. Now it's time to bake some more cakes, drink a few beers, hang out, and Allison has to decorate one more cake. And the cake weekend is over. It's been a busy
trying something different. We're gonna see how this works, and hopefully this video will come out here pretty soon after this vlog. Stop it.
I swear it's PG rated.
All right, Allison is passed out, so we're gonna go spy on her. That's what happens when you cake at midnight. She's got some cakes baking right now, so we'll let her sleep. She only got like 2.5 hours of sleep last night. She's got another 33 minutes till these cakes are done, and she's got to get back to work. Welcome to that baking life. Cakes are done. Dear, cakes are done. Timer's going off.
Get that thing out my face.
You're fine. Show me that angle. There you go, dear.
What, is this not attractive to you?
No, I mean, it's fine. I sit here. The angle you have to go at.
Well, you have it pointed down.
I can sit here and tilt my hand. You have to tilt your whole body. I'm sleepy. She's gonna finish that cake. I'm going to bed. Good night. All right, Sunday morning, the next day. Allison's finishing up her crochet cake. I'm gonna get that out the door, and then the caking weekend is over.